This is the most underrated beer in South Africa. On top of my regular hustle, which is being a journalist for a website called joburg.co.za, I'm also the unofficial, well, the official art director, of a shoe manufacturer called Katu Fallies. Those guys, they make leather shoes that are sexy and hardcore. And today we're location scouting for a farm style shoot for the shoes for our February campaign. And shout out to my own personal troll, Kim, that German dude who gave me shit in the last 2 videos. Love you, man, this is all for you. Some nose picking, giving back to the little ones. Just down the road from my girlfriend's farm, there's a plot for that a family friend built. It's got horses and a donkey on it, and all of the stuff that goes with that. So we're going to see if there's anything that we can shoot there with the shoes. We've got about another 2 hours before we can start shooting, because I'm waiting for the golden hour, for sunset, to come so we can shoot some decent photos. And I'm gonna start falling any second now. Let's do some location scouting. Cool, so we have pretty much figured out all of the shots we're going to do for our farm shoot. This is for the February Instagram or social media posts that we're going to do. We've got some cool stuff with the horses that we're going to do. It's going to look so good with the light coming from the back, golden hour, like all golden orangey type stuff, going for the teal and orange. And then we're going to shoot with this. We're going to do a product shoot with a tree. And then we still need to scout a farm gate. That's pretty much all. And shoot about 30 usable photos. So we're about to do the shoot, so I'm going to have to move this this SD card into Bianca's camera, because I'm shooting with Bianca's camera today. So let's do a montage of the photos that I'm taking. Check out katufallies.com for more info.